Hi guys, Mathka here with yet another video from the Stanford Mathematics problem book. It's question number 62.2 and the question states each of the four numbers a, b, c and d is positive and less than 1. Show that not all four products 4a times 1 minus b, 4b times 1 minus c, 4c times 1 minus d and 4d times 1 minus a are greater than 1. So now let's look at this statement in a bit more detail, this one. So they're saying that we're supposed to show that not all four of these guys can be greater than 1. So let's say they are greater than 1. So in this case, let's say that Pn is the product of all four of these products. So Pn is 4a times 1 minus b, 4b times 1 minus c, 4c times 1 minus d, and finally 4d times 1 minus a. Now, if all of these four products are greater than 1, then it of course follows that Pn is also greater than 1. Okay? So now let's see here. Pn is greater than 1. Pn is just 4a into 1 minus b, 4b into 1 minus c, and 4c into 1 minus d. And finally 4d into 1 minus a. And this has to be greater than 1. Now let's manipulate this a bit. It'll still be Pn, but let's just bring the terms with the same alphabet together. So we get 4a times 1 minus a, 4b times 1 minus b, 4c times 1 minus c, and finally 4d times 1 minus d. And this has to be greater than 1. Now let's look at how big this product can actually be. And in order to do that, we have to look at an individual product. So let's just take 4a and 1 minus a. So if we expand this, let's say this is some function of a. And if we expand this, we get 4a minus 4a squared. Differentiating with respect to a, we get f prime of a is equal to 4 minus 8a. And since we want the highest value of this product, we have to set this equal to 0. And if we set it equal to 0, we get 8a is equal to 4 and a is equal to 1 over 2. And if you want to verify, then you can just take the second derivative and it'll be 4. And so that verifies that this value will indeed give us the highest product possible. Now let's put it back into f of a. So f of a is equal to 4a minus 4a squared. So this is going to be 4 into half minus 4 into 1 by 4. And this is equal to 1. And so now you can see the problem. The problem is we've said that Pn has to be greater than 1. If all four of those products are greater than 1, of course. But now we know that 4a into 1 minus a is always less than or equal to 1, right? Because its highest value is 1. And the same thing follows for 4b. And the same thing for c and d as well. So what I'm trying to get at is that this entire product, Pn, is in fact less than or equal to 1. The case in which it is equal to 1 is if a is half and b is half and c is half and d is half. So Pn is less than or equal to 1. And with that, I think the proof is just about complete. All you have to realize now is that if Pn is less than or equal to 1, then the four things that you're multiplying it with cannot possibly be greater than 1, can they? It just makes no sense. And therefore, the proof is pretty much complete. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a nice day.